Okay, so before closing our room, finally, let us look at the options available in the student's whiteboard. So when I click on, let's say I click on the Jack's whiteboard and I want to explore what options are available. So I can see an actions tab here and a close tab. So let's see what actions tab has. So the first option is save whiteboard. I can save Jack's whiteboard as a image. So when I click on this button, it will create an image of the Jack's whiteboard. It is blank because Jack has written nothing, and that's why it is blank. And it will give me an when you right click on the image, you can save the image or copy the image for a particular student. So the next option is erase whiteboard. I can erase some students' whiteboard if they are doing some mischievous conduct in the class. I can erase their whiteboard from my dashboard also. Then this option we have already covered in the teacher's whiteboard. Push teacher whiteboard to the student. We have done that already. And kick student. This option has also been covered when we have already kicked Jack out of our class. All right, so all these options are available with the teacher that teacher can perform on a student's whiteboard. So now I close it, and before closing the room, let us look at the final options available with the student. These were the options that teacher was able to perform on student's whiteboard. Now we would like to check what options students has on their whiteboard. So these options we have already seen. These were the options available. There were image was enabled by the teacher. Image has to be enabled by the teacher that students can upload an image or not. Then they do not have any other functionality. All right. So now let's check the settings button. What options are available? Okay. So the first option is use simple editor. As we have seen in the simple mode, this this mode, this extended version of the functionalities is shifted to the simple mode. So let us click on this simple editor and let's see. Okay, see this. So this was also we have experimented in the teacher's whiteboard. So this also is happening with the student's whiteboard. All right. So you can see the teacher's whiteboard as well as the student's whiteboard, which is now with lesser functionalities because we are in the simpler mode. All right. The next option we have is save whiteboard as image. Now again, the same option that was available with the teacher is now available with the student. The student can also save the image as a save the whiteboard as a image on by clicking on this room. And last one is the leave room. If the student is not interested in the class or for some other reasons, he she can leave the class by clicking on this leave room. So, all right, when I click the leave room and you it says you have left the room, thank you for using whiteboard.fi. Now let's get back to our teacher mode. And here we were, and we have covered almost everything in the whiteboard from students' whiteboard to teachers' whiteboard. And now finally, I'm going to close the room and this will end my session. And as I've already said in the previous video, that it will not save any type of content. If I want to save any content of my class, then I have to save it as a PDF document. Otherwise, all the content will be deleted as soon as I click the close room button. All right. So all the connections for this class, this code, and this link will not work after closing this room. So let us close this room and we are done with the today's session. Thank you.